Oh, fuck! Oh! Seriously, how fast are we going? Bro, dude, we're going way too fast. I want to live! I want to live! I don't want to live! If someone turns, we're not going to be able to slow down!
It looks so much faster.
Oh! Fuck!
Brake. Holy shit. We're doing 65.
Oh my god!
That's 40 miles an hour.
We're doing fucking 40 miles per hour? You're joking, right? You're joking, right?
64 kilometers an hour is 40 miles an hour.
In a fucking golf cart? I can't believe it.
It's so unstable, this car.
Well, I'm seriously impressed at least. Oh god. Wow, she's hot.